This is a very important discussion we are making. Like, what is the formal definition of an agent, AI agent? So, an AI agent is basically a software entity. So, it is also a piece of code because what is a software? Software is a piece of code or a collection of programs. So, an AI agent is a software entity which has some special capabilities, like it can perceive its environment, it can make decisions, and it can take actions autonomously without human intervention to achieve specific or specified goals. So if we go deep, so agent is a software entity. So agent exists as a computational system. AI agent, it can perceive, means it can sense the environment, the outside world. It can receive inputs like the data, signals, messages, and based on the input and the based on the goal it want to achieve, it decides, it plans. Agents can plan. It decides set of actions to be performed. So it selects actions based on reasoning or policy. Then whatever action plan it has made, whatever actions it has decided, it will act on it. It will execute those actions that affect the environment. Because when it will execute the actions, the environment will get affected. Then reflect it will reflect, and it can adapt its plan. All that is there. Now here two more very important thing, autonomously, like the action will be autonomous. It means that without human intervention, without step by step human control. So the this is very big thing about AI agents. AI agents on their own, they will make the plan, they will decide what actions to be performed, and on their own they will act, and on their own they will adapt, they will re-strategize. All that they will do on their own. So that is the autonomous, without human intervention. And here goals also plays a very important role, because the agents, AI agents, they're aligned in achieving goals. So they operate towards specific objectives, not just responses. So now I think you got a very good understanding that, okay, when I talk about AI agent, that AI agent has to be a software entity. It should have the capability of perception, planning, that is deciding the actions, then executing, and then reflecting. Okay, what because when it will execute the actions, s- environment will get affected, and it will evaluate the outcome, and based on that adapt the strategy, like make changes in the plan, and then once again keep on doing the same process, perception, planning, and all that. And here two very important things are there. All this needs to be done autonomously without human intervention, and all this needs to be done to achieve a goal oriented. So AI agent is always goal oriented. So this definition already distinguishes agents from traditional programs, highlighting the shift from passive execution to active goal pursuit. Because see, traditional programs, traditional softwares, they are just about execution. Like you give it step by step instructions, and they will take care of the execution. That's it. But here, AI agent, their objective is to achieve the goal. They are goal driven and autonomous. They will do all the things. They will plan. They will act on their own with the objective of achieving the goal.